So the process of injecting itself, let's just say you do go down 10 feet. Can you talk about that a little bit more in depth? We've talked about that before.
Yeah.
But you have a bunch of rods on a skid steer, right? And you have water that's pumping through the rods. The water is mixed with your solution, the chemical. Tell me a little bit about the chemical.
Well, the chemical, it has certain food grade chemicals in it. It's really
so it's safe, is what you're saying.
It's safe. So when you put it into the ground, as long as it comes up, and we've tested this and we tested it all the time, it's the pH. So milk is a 5. If I put chemical in the ground, it comes back up at a 7, then it's safe for runoff, storm drains, and everything else. It's a mild chemical. Most of that stuff is food grade. Well, actually, all of it's food grade, and it's a dilution ratio of 300 into 5,500 to 6,000 gallons of water. So it's very minute.
Gotcha.
Doesn't need a lot of chemical to change the polarity of the clay, and that's actually what we're doing. So clay is a negative, water is a positive. They, bond, and we take that ability away from it to doing that. Chemical takes a negative charge out of the clay.